How to trade between the key levels. Market has been moving sideways since the beginning of the day. Mark the key points where the supply and demand is high. I am numbering to that key points at supply 1, 2 and demand 1, 2. Mark the levels as the resistance and support levels. Here, you can see clearly how the market was moving between those key levels. It is also known as sideways market. How to execute the trade. If you are taking long position, mark a level at the day's low. Use that level for stop loss. When the market comes from resistance level to support level, if the price rejects to break down at the support level, then only take the entry at this level. Your target will be the resistance level. If you are looking for short position, when the price moves from support level to the resistance level, you have to pay attention on whether it is breaking out the resistance level or not. If the price rejects to breaks out, then mark a level at day's high. Use this level as the stop loss. Take the entry at breakout rejection candle. Your target will be the support level. Take risk when the momentum looks good. Remember one thing, don't be greedy at this time.